The Commission on Elections is set to issue a show cause order against Senator Cheese Escudero's top campaign donor, Lawrence Lubiano, who is also a top flood control contractor. COMELEC Chairman George Garcia confirms this to Rappler Wednesday, September 10. Lubiano, president of Center Waste Construction and Development Incorporated, donated 30 million pesos to Escudero's campaign during the 2022 elections. Under the Marcos administration, Center Waste ranked 7th among contractors with the most flood control projects. It secured 5.16 billion pesos worth of contracts from 2021 to 2024. 64% of these projects are located in Sorsogon, Escudero's home province and political bailiwick. Center Waste is also based in Sorsogon. Escudero admits he is friends with Lubiano but denies having any role in the company's government deals. Meantime, Environment Undersecretary Carlos Primo David says misplaced flood control works can worsen flooding. He adds, flood control should be integrated with water security efforts as well as watershed protection and proper land use planning.